Hi friends, let me show you my new laser putting aiming accessory for golf, of course. Has this battery protector. Okay, you put it in your putter, in your pot, and you align this so you will have a, well, kind of a better idea of where the ball is going to go. So, well, I think it's interesting. It's an accessory that's going to help you to practice with your putter and have a better golf play. Let's try it. It uses these 3 small batteries that you can replace when you need it. Of course, this uses a very little battery, so I think it will last for a long time. Okay, let's try it. It has also this switch for intermittent or continuous. In intermittent mode, the laser will last for 10 seconds and then turn off automatically, okay? Of course, in continuous, it will be on until you press it again. So on, off in continuous mode, and on and off in 10 seconds in intermittent mode. So friends, now I'm going to test this aiming helper laser in my putter. Okay, perfect, you see? And I'm going to put it on continuous until I get it right. Okay. You can put it exactly to align it with your own putter. Okay, so, well, as you can see, it will help you to get the best feeling about where your ball is going to go. Let me show it to you with no light so you get a feeling of how it looks, okay? So you can help yourself understand how to aim your putt with this laser. You put it where your put middle part is, and you aim with it, trying to understand how to move to make a straight line. Great. I think it's a good accessory for any golf player. Thank you.